Hi guys, today I'm going to share to you this Dixell XR70CX, and we don't have an issue with the evaporator fan, compressor together with the defrost. The only problem here is it's not showing a negative here. So my set point here is negative 18 and it's not going to show the negative. And this unit been condemned because of the negative sign is not going to show up. And I fixed this October 2022 and observed a year ago, and I used this in a freezer, and that freezer is being condemned now. So I took again, and I'm going to share to you on how to simply make a remedy on it. It's not a repair, but it's a remedy. So for me, this is not a defective. The issue is only the negative, and I'm going to show to you that once I pulled out the sensor from this fridge, take a look, from this fridge, and see for yourself what I'm going to happen. Okay, it start now. (5°C), and I'm going to bring back the probe sensor. Take a look. We have a negative sign, and this negative sign from (1°C) up to 10°C only, but above 10°C it will not showing up. Take a look. Then no more. Okay, no more. As you can notice also that the fan light indicator is not being light up, therefore we have a problem with the LCD, and we're not going to replace the LCD, just simply a remedy. Okay, so the minus sign is being gone when it reaches negative 10. So how are we going to solve this issue? Okay, to do that, just simply press set button and R down button together, and another set button and R down button for 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter. And we're going to change one parameter here, and nobody teaches this in the internet. Okay, here under the RES preset, from decimal point we're going to replace that to integers, and the moment I'm going to press the set button here, take a look what will going to be happen. And just wait for 15 minutes in activity and it will go back to the display. Ayan guys, so ganoon lang kasimple. Ayan, meron tayong negative sign. Once again, we're going to pull out the sensor. Here, the sensor. Okay, nag-stack up na naman. It's going down again. We have negative sign here from 1 to 10, and let's see if at negative 10 we have negative sign. There's it. We have a negative sign. There. Yan guys, ganyan lang gawin nyo pag na-encounter nyo to. From RES code or RE in other model of Dixell, just replace DE into integers and you're all done. So yun guys, ganun lang ang tips na may bibigay natin sa inyo if ever na may encounter nyo to. So, huwag niyo i-condemn ha. Maawa kayo sa mga customer niyo. Napakadali magpalit ng control. Easy money. Pero, huwag na huwag niyong gagawin dahil kawawa ang inyong customer. So, mapapagastos sila kahit sabihin nyo na company naman yan. Nasa mga food industry sila. Food and beverages. Lagi nyo rin isipin sana na love thy neighbor. So, from the word, love thy neighbor, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, i-apply mo sa neighbor mo. Yung neighbor mo is yung customer mo. Ganun lang yun. Lahat ng kapwa mo, ituring mo na ikaw. So, ikaw nga, kung nasisiraan ka ng mga bagay-bagay, pilit mo inaayos. So, ganun din sila. So, sana, ikaw na basher, tumigil ka. Nakaka-epekto ka eh. Imbes na marami na sana ako na-feed sa mga subscriber ko at followers ko, damay ka rin eh. Ayaw ko rin sanang maambun ka. Ngunit ganun talaga, nandiyan ka rin sa paligid eh, panira ka eh. Kaya masasabi ko lang sa iyo, basher, tumigil ka na. After all, wala ka namang alam eh. Kaya ka nandyan, gusto mo matuto. Sorry ha. Okay, salamat sa panonood. Until next time, kung papalarin pa tayo. Happy holiday everyone. Mabuhay.